that wind sure is cold. What a beautiful lake. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's a marmot. I thought it was a fox at first. Wow, that looks like a legit beach down there.
I just saw that.
It looks like a legit beach.
Wow.
That's crazy. Aqua looks like it's bleeding. Oh, it's a leashed skipper butterfly. Doesn't that rock look like it's bleeding? So we are about half a mile from camp, if far out is accurate, which it seems to be. So we are not too far from camp. Yes, coming up to a trail sign, which is likely the junction, I think, for the loop for Lake South America, which I had done part of, and found out that even though the map says it's maintained, that's bullcrap. Complete bullcrap, actually. So, yep, Lake South America, Kern River. Sweet, we are practically at camp now. There's something on there you recognize?
Lake South America, Kern River.
Kern River.
Wow.
Yep. That means we're very close to camp.
Doing good.
Good.
You recording everything?
No, not everything.
I know if you're doing a whole time lapse of your whole trip.
No, that takes a lot of work.
Yeah, and batteries.
Oh yes, this is true. And if it clouds up and you can't charge your batteries,
Yeah.
coming into Tyndal Creek Campground. welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, Tyndal Creek does look like it's running pretty low. We'll take a look at the crossing. Taking towards the rock off, which looks to be correct. Ah! Jeez. That hurt my ankle. Jeez, it's low. Holy cow. That thing is super low. Jeez. That's terrible. That's really terrible. Hey guys, so we went over Forester Pass today. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's not, as I've said in a previous video, it's not the terrain that gets you, because honestly, it's not that steep. There are parts that are kind of steep, but it's the altitude mainly that really gets you. And towards the end there, I was definitely feeling that. But we got over, and got down in less than 45 minutes, and proceeded on to Tyndal Creek. And there's a lot of jets flying over, fighter jets, and I soaked my feet and my calves and stuff in Tyndal Creek, which is very low, very low. And in fact, this may be the lowest I've seen it. I'll have to go back and look at my footage of it from before, but it's pretty stinking low. And the water felt super nice. It was super nice. And just kind of relaxed and stuff. Took a little nap. Tomorrow we're going to Crabtree Ranger Station, and well, according to the Far Out app, it says it's 8.7 miles. I think it's about 10, but somewhere in that neck of the woods. And so far, no nosebleeds, because where I live now, it's much drier, so I've had to get used to that, and so I haven't had any nosebleeds, although I have had a little blood in my nose, but nothing major. So I'm just kind of getting everything ready for tomorrow and winding down. It's been good. No storm today, although the clouds did become kind of threatening, but they didn't rain, so that's good. But anyway, I guess that's all for now. One other thing I wanted to add is throughout the time we've been out here, I've only seen a few mosquitoes, haven't been bit, and here at Tyndal Creek they are definitely here. They're not, there's not a ton of them, but there's enough to be, a bit annoying, but not enough to put on spray or anything. But yeah, mosquito conditions so far have been good. I hear up north they're a lot worse, but so far so good here.